Israel strikes Hamas target in Gaza. This week, at least 35 Palestinians have been killed by Israeli attacks on Gaza. Bomb attack kills 18 in northern Syria. 27 people also wounded in bomb-laden vehicle attack in bus station. Germany arrests Daesh suspect deported from Turkey. 21-year-old Nassim is accused of being a member of terrorist organization. Russia to react quickly to Turkey's concern in Syria. He knows Turkish President Erdogan's concern about certain organizations. 4 killed in bomb attack in Iraq's Tahrir Square. 20 injured when car explodes. Oman keen to promote peaceful solutions. Sultan Qaboos. Oman one of the main mediator in Yemen's issue and Gulf crisis. Ex-army contractor vows to overthrow Egypt's Sisi. Ali claims massive corruption in Egypt under al-Sisi's rule. Ethiopia, Egypt and Sudan meet over dam dispute. Water Minister of Ethiopia, Egypt and Sudan begin negotiations on filling and operation of Ethiopian dam. Mass protests continue in Lebanon despite government reforms. Meeting held between Lebanon's former PM Saad Hariri, Hezbollah and Amal movement nominates new premier. Afghanistan, release of Taliban prisoner swap halted. Anonymous Afghan sources say no respite in violence held on suspension of prisoner swap deal. US lawmakers host second hearing on Kashmir. Tom Lantos, Human Rights Commissioner, hearing 7 witnesses on situation in Jammu and Kashmir and minorities in India. New Delhi air is world's most polluted. Watchdog group. New Delhi air quality was hazardous and level likely to affect everybody, says Swiss-based group.